Here's a 2013 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Doing it right, doing it with ease. Heavy payloads are just what this truck was built for. It comes with all the amenities you need: intercooled turbo V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.